हार में क्या जीत में, क्या हार में क्या जीत में, कर्तव्य पथ पे जो भी मिला यह भी सही वो भी सही, वरदान नहीं मांगूंगा हो कुछ भी, हार नहीं मानूंगा. My reverence to all the elite members of the House. Ladies and gentlemen, I want all of you to take this moment and imagine that you are at a crossroad. On your left, you see ideas and promises of equality and welfare, and towards your right, you see idea of traditionalism and culturalism. And somewhat at a distance, there is a third road, unclear, foggy, where the leaders neither come to the left nor to the right. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Indian politics. देश की राजनीति में आप सभी का स्वागत है. We often talk about left ideology and right ideology, but what exactly do both of these represent? So the left focuses on a society where everyone is treated equally and the underprivileged society is uplifted. Or as Saint Kabir said, and I would like to quote, स्वामी इतना दीजिए जामे कुटुम समाए, मैं भी भूखा ना रहूं, भूखा ना साधु जाए. But has his reality come into actual practice? Because if that was the case, why would we see farmers staging protest for minimum wages? Why do we see children starving? Think about it, ladies and gentlemen. The right, on the other hand, focuses on culturalism and traditionalism and a strong central authority, but it sometimes leads to debates on religion and identity. And when Swami Vivekananda asked all of us to rise and awaken together, do we really rise and awaken together, or do we leave some communities behind? Last but not the least, the middle ground, where the parties and leaders claim neutrality. While they have reason, they often lack a clear ideology. Ladies and gentlemen, when we all are seated here at the stage of 14th Bharatiya Chhatra Sansad, I want all of you to think that do we really need labels or do we need the right practice? Because I believe that what we need are the people of the nation who believe in our democracy, in our nation. The same nation that Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru envisioned when he said, at the stroke of midnight hour, India will awake. With this awakening spirit, I want all of us to join hands together and cherish this gift of democracy and transform India into a new Vikasit Bharat and sing the beautiful song of advancing into technology. Or in the words of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee, I would like to say, टूटे हुए सपनों की कौन सुने सिसकी, पलकों पर चीर वथा, पलकों पर ठिठकी. हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, हार नहीं मानूंगा, रार नहीं ठानूंगा, काल के कपाल पे लिखता मिटाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ, गीत नया गाता हूँ. जय हिंद, जय भारत.